In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can increase the number of rolls here in Slime RNG and Roblox to allow you to get more dices fast. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, dice are tied to your rerolls, so the main goal is increasing how often you roll. So first things first, go ahead and open up your upgrade menu, and you need to go ahead and find the ability to roll faster. So find roll speed. This is what you need to progress fast. It does take a while to go ahead and do this. You want to try and get, either more clovers or roll speed. The faster you roll, though, the faster overall you'll go ahead and get everything. Oh, we just got a mythic. That's pretty good. From here, obviously, make sure that you have auto roll unlocked as well. This allows you to keep rolling without stopping. You can also use rapid reroll upgrades to speed things up even more, but more rolls means more total rerolls, which of course helps you gain dice faster. If you're trying to keep track of this, you can do it. If you open up your settings, you can go to stats just like so, and you can see, how many rolls you've had. But that's actually going to be the full process right here. Just keep upgrading anything related to rolls and speed, because that's the best way to stack dice quickly. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.